what's up, friends? Welcome back to our channel. This is Nil. Welcome to a new day. So right now, the society I'm staying is Shobha. Sorry, Shudha. My mistake. But anyways, let me tell you something. Today, I'm gonna visit Miracle Garden and Global Village. So this is the thing that I haven't done last time when I was in Dubai. So I'm going to check this out, and I'll let you know the place, the cost, and what's inside. Of course, देखते रहिए, enjoy कीजिए मेरा video and keep watching, guys. And as you can see, the road is filled with lots of beautiful cars. As Dubai is basically famous for supercars and all. So let me show you something that people are doing zip lining. You can see. Wow, it's looking awesome. So this is one very nice activity you can do. Excellent. I don't know how much it is, but maybe I'll try to do it this time. Miracle Garden is absolutely awesome place. Supercars in Dubai, and there is also Tesla. So people are crazy over here. They have supercars, Tesla, So look at this place. So at the evening time, this place looks awesome. You can see private yacht, small ships. So amazing place, this one. Let's go. Let me just visit. Today basically I'll be visiting Miracle Garden and Global Village, which is nearby. That's my plan for the day. So basically, if you can see the bridge which is across the road, that bridge is basically connected for metro actually. So if you are going from this route, you can go to look at the metro. So that's the metro basically. So I have to reach over there to get the metro, and then I'll go to Expo 2020. So I'm going to grab the metro from DMCC metro station, which you can see here. Yeah. And then I'll be going to Expo 2020. So I'd like to go to Mall of Emirates, and I have to take the metro from here. So let's go from Mall of Emirates. I have to ask someone. Let's go.
المحطة القادمة هي شوبة العقارية. يمكنكم من خلالها الانتقال إلى دبي. يرجى من الركاب المتجهين إلى شاطئ جميرة الانتقال إلى الترام من محطة مترو شوبة العقارية. The final destination of this train is Center Point. The next station is Shobha Realty. This is interchange station to Dubai Tram. Passengers traveling to Jumeirah Beach, please interchange to tram at Shobha Realty Metro Station.
So my friends just got down the metro station Mall of Emirates. From here I have to go to Miracle Garden. Let's show you this. So my friends, look at this beautiful view from the metro station of Mall of Emirates. So just in front of me it's the Mall of Emirates, and if you can see a little bit ahead of it, there is Burj Al Arab, the 7-star hotel in Dubai. I've been there in last time, that hotel. So this one, the Burj Al Arab. So it's absolutely amazing, not only in Dubai but also all over the world. Let's go. So my friends, basically I've just got to know from the ticket information center. So from exit 1 need to take the bus 105 is the bus number towards to Miracle Garden. So let's go and let's check. So लोग बोलते हैं ना दुबई में मॉल से, सच में इसमें मॉल्स ही हैं. Look at this my friend. Big mall in Dubai, Mall of Emirates. So I am just going towards the exit of this Mall of Emirates because I have to take the bus number 105 for my destination Miracle Garden. But I am really confused. I don't know where is the exit because it's a very big mall and literally I am confused where I have to go. It's very nice. All the big brands are here. So people who are addicted of shopping, they should not come. Otherwise they will be back to home just like a beggar. Look at this, man. There are so many shops. It's an absolutely amazing place. Wow. See, in Dubai there are lots of shopping malls. And one of them is this one. I don't know what's the exit. Let me ask someone, otherwise I am lost maybe. So finally I found out the exit, and always there are lots of cars in the exit, as you know. Oh my goodness. Rolls Royce. So that is the skywalk from metro to the Mall of Emirates, from where I have just come, and this is the place where maybe the bus is coming. So I'll be taking this place to catch the bus. Guys, you can see it's a big queue. You can get the bus for Miracle Garden. So all buses are for Miracle Garden. You can see here. Let's get inside. I think I will be accommodated in this bus. Let me see. Miracle Garden. Huh? Miracle this way. So my friend, it's too much hot now. Now I'm just heading towards Miracle Garden after the small bus ride. But yeah, it was too much traffic. But anyways, it takes almost 30 minutes, 30 to 35 minutes from Mall of Emirates to this place. Okay, let's go and I'll tell you the tickets value and all. I'll show you. Yes. Stop. So this is the Miracle Garden. So I bought the ticket, the Miracle Garden, as you can see. It cost 95 AED, almost 2000 rupees in Indian currency. So I'm just inside the Miracle Garden. I know that this time my voice is not clear because it is not permitted using the mic here. You can see the Turkish ice cream also. Nice place. Let me take a round. Beautiful, well maintained. Actually, I would like to go to that side because the sunlight is coming from that side. I can take good picture from there. Beautiful. Actually, I believe it is very beautiful and it is quite exciting, mainly for children's. Looks like children's park. This is amazing, and you can see there are so many shops. So my friend, this is another entrance where you can park the car over there and you can see the queue. So this is another entrance. Okay, so I use another I was in another entrance, and this is I think the back side where you can have your, if you have your own cards and all. So I came by public bus, so my entrance is different. So this is the entrance, and where you can go from this route, and you can see this face of horses directly. So let's go. I'll be taking you from this place. So you can have amazing scene from here. Almost half of the Miracle Garden you can see from this place. It's absolutely amazing.